Hey folks, be honest. Does your home office look more like a disaster zone than a productivity palace? Is your desk buried under coffee mugs, tangled wires, and wait, is that a cookie from last week? Flushed face. Well, buckle up, because in the next 180 seconds, I'm going to show you how to transform your workspace from chaos to calm in just 5 surprisingly easy steps. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Clear the clutter, physically and mentally. Let's start with the obvious, clutter. Studies show that a messy space can reduce your productivity by up to 40%. Yup, 40. Astonished face. Start by removing anything that doesn't serve a purpose. Old receipts, broken pens, half-used notebooks. Surprising fact? The average desk has over 10 million bacteria, more than a toilet seat. Gross, right? So grab those wipes, toss the junk, and breathe in that fresh start. Step 2. Designate a work zone. Still working from your couch or bed? Nope, not anymore. Your brain needs a clear separation between chill and grind. Create a dedicated corner, even if it's tiny, your own little focus cave. Bonus tip. People with a defined work area report 23% less stress while working from home. Who knew that a corner and a comfy chair could save your sanity? Step 3. Light it right. Bad lighting equals bad vibes. It strains your eyes, makes you tired, and even affects your sleep. Here's a fact that'll blow your mind. Poor lighting can reduce work accuracy by over 50%. Dizzy face. Go for a natural light spot or invest in a good LED desk lamp with warm tones. Pro tip. Add a touch of backlight behind your monitor for a super chill look. Step 4. Tech and cable tidy up. Tangled cables equals tangled mind. Surprising fact. The average person spends 17 minutes a day just dealing with tech issues. That's almost 2 hours a week. Use cable clips, a proper surge protector, and maybe even a little label magic. And for bonus points, clean your keyboard. The one you're typing on has 400x more germs than your toilet. Grimacing face. Step 5. Add a personal calm factor. Here's where you sprinkle your personality. A small plant, a framed quote, your favorite candle, or maybe a mini lava lamp. They're still cool, right? According to science, just looking at nature, even a photo, can lower your heart rate in 2 minutes. And don't forget a scent diffuser with lavender or eucalyptus for that spa vibe while you zoom into your day. So there you have it, 5 easy steps, 5 surprising facts, and 1 transformed home office. Remember, it's not about having the perfect setup. It's about creating the perfect mindset. If your workspace makes you smile, you're already halfway to success. Hit like if you're tossing out that old cookie and comment below. Which of these steps are you trying first? For more video, please subscribe our channel. Bye guys.